CarMax reports earnings tomorrow morning before market open. The stock went from $72 to $31 this year, then recovered to $52. EPS is expected to decline nearly 32%. We ran the full year FSR tonight. Here's what the data shows going in. CarMax is the largest used vehicle retailer in the U.S., over 260 locations. They also run their own auto finance division. The past year has been rough. High interest rates made used car financing expensive. Carvana has been described as making its own most disruptive competitive move yet. CarMax brought in a new CEO, and Starboard Value, a major activist investor, has gotten involved. Last quarter, they missed badly. Actual EPS came in at negative 85 cents against an estimate of positive 22 cents. Tomorrow's numbers matter. 1 year daily data, FSR score 66.5%, rolling FSR 92.8%. Price started the year near $65, sold off steadily to a low of $31, then recovered. The yearly average sits at $47. Price has just crossed back above that average for the first time in months. Currently at $52, that recovery is visible in the data. Look at the rolling FSR. There are two significant drops, both bottoming near 76%. Those correspond to the two biggest sell-off periods in the price chart. Each time the structure broke, the FSR captured it. Each time price recovered, the rolling FSR recovered with it. Currently, rolling FSR is in the 92% range, the healthiest reading in months going into tomorrow's report. Here's what stands out. The Analyst average price target on a CarMax is $42.69. The stock is trading at $52, above the average target. Truist raised their target today from $37 to $47, still below where the stock is trading. The market has moved past where most analysts expected to go before the earnings report even drops. Tomorrow's number will either justify that or correct it. Earnings tomorrow, June 17th at 8 a.m. Eastern. We'll run the post-earnings FSR after the number drops. Subscribe so you can catch both. Full tool at predictability-api.com. Link is in the description. Breakdowns happen all the time. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.